guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this new technique on my channel. I know this is not a new technique. I know other people have done it before, but on my channel it's gonna be a new technique because I haven't done this before. So it's gonna be a hooded eye eyeliner look, and I'm pretty excited to show you guys because it took me forever to learn how to do a good eyeliner for hooded eyes, and it's finally working out for me. So I'm happy to share my techniques with you guys. So if you guys want to know how to get this eyeliner look, please stay tuned. I'm going in with my Lorac gel eyeliner. I know the color has faded, but this is the Lorac gel eyeliner, and this is the shade black. I'm using the MAC eyeliner brush. I know the coating has wiped off. It's trying to wash it. I let it soak in the soap water a little too long, so the coating on this brush has gone, but this is the MAC eyeliner brush. I picked up some of the product on my hand, and I'm gonna pick it up with my brush and apply it to my eye. So I'm gonna start off by making a thin line all the way down to here. I'm gonna start from the inner corner and I'm gonna stop right over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off from the inner corner. Go very small strokes. There we go. Now we have our thin line. For the wing, I'm gonna start out from this little outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna go up a little bit. You can go as high as you want or as low as you want. It's all preference. I like mine midway. I don't like it too high up, or I don't like it straight across. Just like that. The mistake most people make is they close their eye and they draw out their eyeliner. And that, for hooded eye, that works for every other eye except hooded eyes. For hooded eyes, we need to keep our eyes open and we need to look straight at the mirror. Start out right here. Keep your face very still. Start out. We got the line straight down, but when you look down, you see there's a little bump. Unfortunately, with hooded eyes, you kind of need that little bump. So when you're looking straight, it looks straight. But when you're looking down, you have that little bump right here, which is fine. When you have the lashes on and everything, believe me, it doesn't look that bad. Once we fill it in and everything, it will look perfect. So don't worry too much about that little bump right there. So let's go ahead and fill out that little gap right there. So this is how it looks. Now you can make the rest of your eyeliner a little thicker if that's what you like. I do like mine's a little bit thicker, so I'm gonna go ahead and make it a little bit more thicker. So this is how the eyeliner looks after we're done with it. You can see it's a nice sharp line. Although when you look down, you still have that little bump, but believe me, it doesn't look that bad. After you have all the eyeshadow and everything on, it looks perfectly fine. So this is how the eyeliner looks so far. I'm gonna go apply my eyelashes off camera and I'll be right back. How the eyeliner looks with some eyelashes and some mascara. Hope it helps out those hooded eye girls out there, because I know I struggled for a very long time. I used to hate doing my eyeliner so much because it never ever came out right on my eyes because of my hooded eyes. But now, after doing this technique, it looks perfect and I love it. So I hope it helps you guys out too. Just give it a try. Let me know if it works out for you or not. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna work out on a lot of people out there who have hooded eyes. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a few tricks. And like and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and if it helped you. Love you guys. Thank you. Mwah. Bye.